Hey guys, I'm gonna try to do this video here to try to explain to you a little bit better that the error that keeps happening here. So what we are here is we're at the admin profile, and I'm going to add a match. Okay, and I click add a match, test, event date, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put win, no place. I'm just gonna put that I had 2 takedowns and 1 reversal, and that'll be a decision. It would be 4-6-0, so I'll type in 6-0 because that's what I won by. Update results. Okay, when I go back to view profile, this is good here. I won by decision 6-0. When I click view stats, okay, good, takedowns 2, reversals 1, perfect. This right here where it says DQ, that's where it should say decision, because that's the type of match result I put in, not a DQ. So this right here, if I put in fall, tech fall, major decision, decision, that's what should come up right here, not just DQ all the time. Okay, let's go back to view profile, and when I click on admin stats, alright, you can see I only put in 2 takedowns and 1 reversal, and right now it's showing 1 for everything. Okay, when I click on stats, so that, obviously right now I only have 1 match written in there. I have 1 win, which is correct, 0 losses, which is correct, but I didn't put in any falls, tech falls, major decisions. They should all still read 0. This takedown should read 2, the reversal should read 1, and then zeros for the rest of them. And also, well, we'll just leave that go for now. So we go back to view profile here, and I want to just show you another thing. Let me see here. I'll add another match. Let's see. Add match. Event name. Test 2. Date. Good. I'm going to put a loss this time, and let's just leave it as decision again, and I'll say I lost 0-5. Okay. Update results. View profile. Okay, good. I mean, now for some reason, I put a lot there. It should say, just like this says win by decision, it should say loss by decision. And the scores, you can see the score's not up here now, so that's an error that needs to be fixed. Okay, now when I go to let's see here, view the stats. Okay, again, this should show loss. That's good. It should say decision here, not DQ, and for whatever reason the zero's not showing up, so it should say win, lose, loss by decision, not DQ, 0-5. Alright, now when I go to view the stats again, okay, win, loss, still good. These are wrong again, as you can see. Now what I want to show you here in top 10, okay, when I go to decisions and I click search, okay, that seems to be working right now. 1 decision, loss, perfect, looks good. Home page, let's take a look at this. Wins 1, good. Okay, decisions. I have 1 decision, and in the top 10 list of decisions on the home page, it doesn't show admin. Admin should have 1. Alright, so again, that's an error there. Okay, let me just add 1 more match and see what happens here with tech falls and stuff. Okay, let's add a match. Match name, test 3. Event team. Let's say that we won. Let's say we had 3 takedowns, and this time it was by major decision. So let's just say the score was 8-0. Okay, major decision, I won. View profile. Okay, win, major decision, 8-0, good. I view the stats, 3 takedowns, win. Again, right here, it should say major decision, because that's the type of win I had, a major decision, not DQ. Go back to admin stats, 2-1, good. And then now here again, look, it just upped everything to 2 now. And I had 3 takedowns in that match plus the 2 from the other one. This should actually record as 5 right now as my total stats. Okay, let's see if top 10's working. Wins, I put that down as a major decision. Search, major decision, admin, perfect. Let's see if this is working here. Major decisions. Okay, now see, major decisions, it showed up. It did not show up for decisions though. So whatever bug that might be, you can see there, it didn't show up. And the last thing I want to do is just put a match in as a loss and see what happens there with that. Let's add a match. Test 4. Say this time I had 2 escapes and I lost by a major decision. Okay, so let's say it was 0. Oh, let's say 3 to 10. Okay, update results. View profile. Okay, so it seems like maybe decision. Well, there it showed up. For whatever reason, you've seen it. I'm doing it live. For whatever reason, at one point, you know, when I lost, it had 0. It didn't have it. Now it does. I don't know. You guys will have to figure that one out. But okay, this is working. Lost major decision, 3-0. Let's view the stats. Lost. Here it should say I lost, not DQ. Major decision. Stats look good. When we go to admin stats, okay. 2 major decision. I mean, again, this is, you know, everything just upped itself. My record is good at 2-2, which I am, but I should have, you know, these numbers should correlate to what I put into the other matches. I hope that makes sense to you. I'm not sure how else I might be able to explain it to you. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys, well, there. Admin, there it has, it says 2 major decisions, and I don't. Okay, so there's a prime example. There's another error on the top 10 page there. You can see here major decisions. I have one win by major decision right here. Okay, and then I have 2 losses by major decision. So when it comes to recording, remember, major decisions, I only get 1 major decision if I win. Nothing happens if I lose, and that goes for decisions, major decisions, tech falls, and falls. I only get 1 added on to those categories if I win. If I lose, nothing happens. So again, if I go here to top 10 and I go to major decisions and click here, I showed you on my profile I only have 1 win by major decision. This is showing that I have 2. Alright, so you know, again, that's incorrect. Alright, and then here's another problem. Alright, on the rankings page, if I don't sort by anything and I just hit search, remember with the ranking points that I gave you, every time a person puts down that they won a match, they get 1 point towards their rankings. Anytime they take first, they get 5 points, second 4 points, third 3 points, fourth 2 points, and a 5th place they get 1 point in a tournament now. That should be added on. So right now, as admin profile, I have 2 wins. I should have 2 points here. Now I believe if I sort it by state, I don't remember if admin, I think, I forget where you're in Alabama. I don't know what state it's listed under. Iowa. Okay. So if I go rankings by state, Iowa, search, again I have 0. I should have 2 points. Alright, and then let me just, while I'm doing this, let me see if I add a place. Let me edit this. Let's say that I took 2nd here. Okay, update results, view profile. Okay. Now because I took 2nd, I should have, yep, okay, good. I got my 4 points for that, but I should have 6 because I have 2 wins. Remember, you get 1 point for every time you win, 5 points for every first place finish, 4 for second, 3 for third, 2 for fourth, and 1 point for fifth. Okay. Other than that, guys, I mean, the site's awesome. It's working. It's working really, really good. You know, I don't have. That's the only thing. The major issue right now is just fixing the database thing, because that's the majority of our site. That's what people are going to be using this site for, to put their stats in, and they're going to be pretty upset, you know, if wrestling's competitive, and you know, if they enter stuff in here and it starts being wrong, and you know, they'll leave the site quick, let's put it that way. You know, they don't like to see someone else is ahead of them in something because of a computer error. So hopefully you guys understand that. If you have any more questions, please email me. You know, I can make another video explaining it to you. I sort of did this one pretty quick for you. I hope everything came through clear for you. Alright guys, great working with you. Thank you.